Kamusta po kayong lahat? My name is Rochelle Maningas, 44, and I live in Bradenton, Florida. I'm currently having my third round of chemotherapy and immunotherapy here in Mayo Clinic, Jacksonville, for my stage 4 lung cancer. Big thanks to the Filipino-American Cancer Care. Battling cancer is a difficult task for anyone. No one should go through this alone. My family and I are grateful to the volunteers, sponsors, donors, and attendees of David Pomeranz charity concert, and of course, to the music genius himself, Mr. David Pomeranz. We appreciate the love and support that you are giving us. May the generous and miraculous Lord Almighty bless the beneficiaries, families, and the people behind the FACC. God bless us all and maraming salamat po.